This is a real quick tutorial about how you might use tables in Word to create some rubrics. I'm going to go kind of fast here, give you the sense of how to do it. You may have to look elsewhere for a little more detailed training. I've opened up a document in Word, and I've got a place here where I'm going to make my rubric. I will go to the Insert menu, and then to Table. And when this pops up, I can choose how many rows and columns. You can always add more rows and columns later, but it's nice if you have in mind things like, well, you can have a top row for the headings and a row on the left for the names of the criteria, and then maybe you need 3 rows of the criteria, maybe columns like this. Maybe I only need that many columns, but I choose that, and there you go. Across the top, I might have names of criteria like novice, competent, and proficient, or wherever you choose. On the left side, I might have my categories or criteria. Maybe it's content, maybe it's design, and maybe it's mechanics. And then in these spaces, you can put the criteria, typing in sentences or phrases that describe the criteria, and so on. Then you have to decide where the points go. If each row has the same allotment of points, you might at the top add something like 0 to 2, and here you might put 3 to 4, and in this one you might put 5 to 6, however you choose to do that. You might have rows with different point values, so instead of putting these here, you might add that above these. Maybe this one's 0 to 3, and so then you would have that there, and maybe this one is 0 to 2, and maybe this one is also 0 to 2, and so on. So you put what you want in each of these cells. You can always adjust the lines by hovering over and getting that parallel bar thing like that, and moving these around. You can also adjust the rows if you need them to be adjusted, and so on. You might also choose to shade things. If I highlight this and go to shading, I can choose from the menu to shade different aspects of it. You might choose to put things in centered mode, which would be in the home menu, and choose like this, and so on and so on and so on. When you have the rubric looking like you want it to do, in this case, I think I would just save this as a Word document and then upload it to Google Drive, and that will be shown in another video another time how to do that.